Hello fam, it's good to be back. I've missed you guys so much. So I got this package from Cynics Nigeria and it is a swallow maker. It makes any kind of swallow you want. So it can make raw and it can also make powdered swallow. Here I used raw plantains in making plantain swallow and it cooked in just 40 minutes. It came out so nice. Gosh, this was so good. So I'm going to show you how to make powdered swallow with this. Can you see the texture? Perfect. Next, I used semo to see how it works with powdered food. The most amazing thing about this product is that it can feed a big family or a small family, and it's super easy to clean. It makes swallow from both raw and powdered food, and it has just one knob for settings, so anybody can handle it. This will make for a beautiful gift. You should get one for your family or gift a friend. Bye bye.